If you ever got on your riding lawnmower and thought, I'd love to hear my music without destroying my ears, well, now insert these tactical earmuffs. These are actually made for the gun range, but used most often for the Saturday wars in the lawn, right? Now, the cool thing about this is that you can use these for the gun range. They're gonna cancel out anything you hear, and with like a 1 millisecond of a speed, and they also are perfect for gun ranges where if you get a 1 millisecond sound burst, like a gunshot, boom, it's gonna immediately recognize that and cancel that noise out, right? But it also will let voices through, so you can hear voices just fine when you have these turned on. Now these are gonna be Bluetooth headphones, USB-C charging. That's gonna last you up to 48 hours of battery life on one single charge, so that's pretty cool. And the best part is just the noise suppression. I mean, you could take these on a plane ride, you're not gonna hear anything. You could take them on a mowing the lawn, which is what I'm gonna be using them for. You could take them on just about anywhere you need to go. Monster Truck Rally just did that, and oh my gosh, I would have loved to have these. But they're Bluetooth, you can take calls on them as well. In fact, I'm gonna connect it to my phone right now, and let's see how it works. All right, so let me just show you, there's a couple different ways to connect this to your phone. One, this knob right here is gonna be your power. You just press and hold it on for about 2 seconds and it turns on. You press it, it turns on, you hold it down for 2 seconds, and it's gonna put you into Bluetooth pairing mode, right? This also is gonna be your volume up and down, so you can turn your volume up and down. And on the other side, you actually have an aux cable, so if you're rocking a phone with an aux port, you can do that. Or it has NFC, so if you know what that is, it's basically tap to pay. It's like having an Apple Pay right here. You just tap your phone on here and it instantly connects. I mean, how cool is that? So you can Bluetooth, you can NFC, again, 48 hours of battery life and noise canceling. You know, you're gonna take these to the gun range, you're also gonna take them to the lawn, and you're gonna take them to the Monster Truck Rally, you're gonna take them anywhere you want that super noise canceling. And now that I got these paired, I'm gonna throw some music on here. And as soon as you put audio through here, the noise canceling starts. I mean, it's digital noise canceling because I just pause it and I can hear the world around me. So I can hear voices, everything like that. As soon as I press play, I can't hear anything. All I hear is my music, and it's not very loud at all. I'm gonna turn up my music. It's on the left-hand side. And that's as loud as it goes. I'm not blowing my eardrums. I mean, this is really cool. The noise canceling, I would take this anywhere. I wanna go get those noise canceling, and with that 1 nanosecond, so you could be wearing them, and then boom, hear a bang, and it's not gonna hurt you. So the gun range, perfect for that. All right, I am probably yelling right now because I can't hear my own voice. But if you go to the gun range often, or you're mowing your lawn, or you're going to the Monster Truck Rally, or anywhere you want to go, loud sporting events or whatever, and you want to protect your ears, if you don't want them to bleed, I definitely recommend picking up a pair of these and having them in your arsenal for sure. All right, this is gonna work perfect. I'm not sure if you can hear me because of the noise of the lawnmower, but I can't hear the lawnmower, I can't hear me. I'm yelling into the microphone so you can hear me. But these noise canceling are awesome. I can't hear the lawnmower. I got my music on, I'm rocking, and I'm good to go. So again, highly recommend these. These are perfect noise canceling.